Hey everyone, welcome back to another Draw More tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about duplicating and mirroring planes without using any rulers or measuring devices. So to start off, let's draw some planes. I'm going to do 2-point perspective. So when duplicating planes too, you want to either extend your lines off to the right or the left, depending on where you want these lines or these planes to extend out to. So again, you want to divide your planes up like you did with the cylinder episode. So you do your X corner to corner, and then you want to draw your center line in the direction that you want to duplicate these planes. So I'm going to go this way, darken that up for you guys. So this point here on the edge of this plane is the indicator as to where your next plane is going to be. So you're going to start in either this corner or this corner, and you want to draw your line from this point through this point all the way to this outer line. That's where your next plane is going to be. And if you can't figure out where this line will be, you can do the same thing you did to this line on this corner. Just extend it back. That way it stays pretty accurate to your perspective. And that is how you duplicate a plane. I'll do another one and do four or five more planes and see how these planes start to get smaller and smaller in perspective. Do the same direction. Alright, here I messed up. So instead of trying to do that line again, we're just going to eyeball where it would be. That way you don't create a mess by trying to fix that line. So let's do that again on this side, just to be a little more accurate. There again, I messed up, but we can see, can still eyeball where it'd be. Alright, so there's the second plane. Let's do another one. Once you have done your first plane and you created the second one, you don't have to do the crossing anymore. You can just find that center point by this line. So this back corner of the second plane and this point, follow through. There's your third plane. You can make this line go all the way through if you want. Alright, next plane. This point, this point. Let's extend this line. And let's do one more plane. So that point, that point. So that is how you stay accurate when duplicating planes in perspective. Let's do another one in a different perspective. So that'll be the front plane, and then I'll extend it back there. So there's your first plane. Darken that up for you guys. So there you have duplicating planes without using any measuring tools. So moving on to mirroring planes, let's first make a plane in perspective. Again, I'm going to extend the lines further than I need to. So here's a plane, and then we have to make an indicator. So this line would be the mirror. This is our plane. So we want to do our cross to find that center point, and then create a line in that center point. And then to mirror it, take this front corner. This will be the front part of the plane. So you want to cross it through this point here. And if you want, you can do it on this other corner to be a little more accurate. So this line is this line. And then to do the back, you want to do the back corners now and follow through this point. And again on this corner. So that's how you mirror a plane in perspective. Let's do another one from a different angle. Let's do a vertical plane. This will be our mirror plane right here. Now I'm just going to do a few more to fill out this page. So I hope this video was helpful for, if not all, but some. Just want everyone to know that practice makes perfect. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.